You're ugly. All right, guys, back in the shop working on the DURAMAX again. Got the rear brakes going back together now. I got this homeless man that just showed up and decided he's gonna hang out in my shop because it's kind of warm.
It's warmer than outside.
But it's not.
True.
But it is.
Now.
Yes. So yeah, we're gonna do the rears on it, get the caliper done, and then we'll tackle this brake line. I hate brake lines. What do you guys think of brake lines? I just don't like them anymore. All right, we'll get to this. Don't forget your keyway. Like Jordan would have. Wouldn't you, Jordan?
Definitely.
Just put the keyway in there. Just put the keyway in there. I probably can use this to do it too.
Don't lose the snap ring.
Don't lose what?
Snap ring.
What's a snap ring?
I don't know.
I'm gonna put those back in. I'm gonna clean it though. There's my ring. So, you drove all the way up here, huh?
Yep.
Just to hang out with me.
Yep.
God, you're a nice person.
A great guy.
I wouldn't have done that.
I was bored.
I know. I figured when you texted me you were bored. Or when you Snapchatted me you were bored. Oh my gosh. Jesus, just get in that hole.
Get it in the hole.
I can't, it's so hard. I've never struggled so much with a snap ring in my life. Alright, now I gotta put my snap ring in. This is awful. Why is this being so difficult? Why couldn't I do that the first time?
Literally.
Yeah, beat. Oop, don't want that.
Bug.
Oh, feels good. Oil off of this. Nice.
Very nice.
How much? $1 million. Mini-me. Stop humping the freaking laser. Stop rocking. Welding.
High speed.
Welding. I'm welding. Stop wiggling, Dad.
No.
Hold the light
The light is being held.
in a better spot. No, that's not a better spot. You're doing better than when I yelled at you.
Exactly.
Thank you.
I should fuck it up really quick. Oh, I gotta cut that now.
I gotta bleep that now.
No, you gotta cut it.
Bleep.
Cut it.
Cut. Redo. Painting a cake. Somewhere around there.
Yeah.
Oh, first try. I don't know why I only grabbed two.
Because you want to make another trip.
Yeah, I wanted to use my knee.
There you go. All the way back across the shop.
And back down we go. Whee! Alright, there's one less time I can get up and down in my life.
Yeah. Got to use those wisely now.
All your fault, Jordan.
It's all my fault, eh?
What size was it? Hi! Ow, my eyes. Oh, it was a 19. I am drunk. Looking on cars drunk.
Come on, Travis. We talked about it.
No problem. Boss won't send me to rehab. Ow, my knee. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
That was the last.
Sounds like my knee. All right, remember to torque it to spec with the impact. Oh, fuck. You know you use the proper amount. Juices out.
Yep.
All right.
Make it look pretty too.
Yeah, you gotta clean her up.
You know, wipe it all over the dude's head.
Yep.
Sorry, Nathan. Safe.
Good is good.
Doesn't turn now. What the heck? Just kidding. That was a joke.
Was it?
How's it supposed to turn when the other wheel's on the ground?
I don't know. Become super strong.
Well, that sucks. I got the wrong caliper. Poop. It's back to the parts store. Thank you again, Super Clean, for the doorbell. Again, it's coming in handy because I mean I make messes. Or at least we won't track it around the shop though, right? Perfect. Thanks again, guys. Thanks, Mouselock. Kniff. I need a kniff. I think someone just did a burnout in my driveway. Fresh parts. I almost forgot. Give a chance to not have rust build up. This is lubricant, the brake pad slider lube. So your pads don't get seized into your anchors and then stick on. Beautiful. All right, this on. Come on, bottom one, play now. Thank you. Are you gonna finish the last brake line that blew up while we were bleeding them? I know, sucks, eh? Yeah, got a brake line on this one done. Went to start bleeding them. Then the one from the master to the ABS module decided it wanted to leave the chat, so we're gonna finish that one up today, and Nathan's gonna come by tonight. We're gonna bleed his brakes, and this thing will be out of here. And then I don't want to do brake lines for a while. All right, guys. All right, let's make a brake line again. Should invest in one of those hydraulic ones. I don't do enough of them anymore. Every time I do a set, I go, frick, I wish I had that tool. So this is just your old school brake line tool. Find them Canadian Tire anywhere. Comes with a whole bunch of adapters here. I'll show you guys. 3/16, 1/4 inch, 5/16. I don't know what these ones are for. I've never done them that big. 3/8, and then 1/2 inch. I don't know if I'd want to try and do a 1/2 inch line with a hand one. That might suck. We're gonna use 1/4, so we need this, and so that's how you set it up. Obviously, I have mine too tall right now. You want it to be to that first hump there. So I'm gonna set that up, and I'll show you. You can see you're pretty well level with that now. Oh, we're gonna start there. Insert your tool. Leave your tool in there so you don't forget it. Don't forget your lip fitting. That sucks. Did that yesterday. Tool in there, and then now we start turning. So this bottom's out. There's our bottom out. Back this off. Pull your little tool out. Sometimes it can be just stuck in there. Grab some channel locks. Pops it out. Then you use this part again, and you just use it without the tool in there. And this is a tool all on its own. Multifunction. And you go to this one. Does its flare. Like that. Oh. And just like that, you have a brake line with a double flare on it. That's what's gonna go at the master end. So it flares here, and then it flares again on the inside, and that's why it's a double. Wipe this away. Go down. Try not to get anything in the hole, so we're pushing it out and up. Look at that, we're good. Good sealing surface now. We're going to put this in here for now. Oh, a little bit different. All these V8s, man, they just look so jammed in there these days. Nathan, you got an exhaust leak? All right, this thing's all put back together. Brakes are all bled. Took it for a little drive in the driveway. It stops nice. It has brakes. It came here with no brakes, so that's a bonus. We'll pull her out now, and we'll park it for the night. You can stay there. Chevy. All right, guys, that's all done. Everything's moved around. You saw that. Truck stops. Hank's back inside. Shop's cleaned up. Thanks again, James Austin at Super Clean for the floor absorbent and the spray in the truck. Putting it to good use. Thanks, guys, again for watching. Stay tuned for our next video, and we'll see you then. Bye for now.